Athletic registration. To register your students for athletics, you will need to start by going to the Infinite Campus Campus Parent Portal. To do that, you can go to any of the District 211 websites, and below the main picture is a link to the Infinite Campus Portal. Click that link. Then click Campus Parent, and then you can put in your username and password. If you are unsure of your username or password, you can click Forget Password, Forget Username, or Help. Once you are logged in to Campus Parent, select School Store from the menu on the left, and then select your student's school and hit Shop. Then you will see the different areas for registration. Click on the one you want to register for, and then the sport or activity within that area. Click View, and then you can choose the recipient. If you have more than one student, they will all be available under Recipient. You will see that there is a guardian signature required. You click that form, and then it will take you through the information that you need. Read it, and then you can check what you need to. And then it will give your student's name and the activity session. And then you can click again. And then if you click the Click Here to Sign, you can say, I want to sign this, and it will sign and date it. And then you can click Submit. At that point, you'd be able to, once it says Signature Complete, add it to the cart. You can select additional activities for your students to be a part of. You can select the same student or other students, but for each student and for each activity, you will need to sign a consent form, as it is unique for each student and each activity. If you want to sign up for another category, you hit Category, and then you can sign up, for example, for an activity such as flags. And again, the consent form. Once you have added all of the athletics that you would like to your cart, click on My Cart. Make sure that you have the correct email address that you would like, and then hit Submit. It will ask you if you want to submit a payment of $0. Click Yes. And then you will receive a reference number and an email as a receipt. If you have any questions, you can contact your school's athletic department for more assistance.